Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Infinix Note 40 and I want to show you how see available random access memory on this device. To do that, open settings application where we scroll down, we tap on my phone and there we look for our version information where we have our bit number. Now we must tap 7 times to active developer mode. To do that, confirm all by enter our look screen. Now we go back and scroll down to the system option where we have new selection, developer option and memory where we can read information about our available random access memory. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!